of you being a Chief Minister?
The Women's College on Friday organized a two-day seminar on quality and relevance of higher education in Meghalaya. NEHU Vice-Chancellor Prabha Shankar Shukla delivered the keynote address, while eminent journalist Patricia Mukim presided over the inaugural program. Speaking on the impact of higher education on rural youth, the head of the Department of Higher and Professional Education in the National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration, NEPA, Professor Sudhanshu Bhushan said that it is important to prepare graduates who are knowledgeable and also who are able to solve the problems of the society. Several eminent educationists will dwell on various topics pertaining to higher education and impact of national education policy on higher education during the two-day seminar. Meghalaya government is still examining